Oh my god, stop.
Oh my gosh.
Is that one mine? I love it!
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's really good.
I love it. It's so
I love it. I want it.
Excited to have characters that are really individual personalities, so we've managed to personalize every single character's sort of look and feel on stage.
Yeah, super different to the other musicals that we've done where we've had to pretty much sew the exact same thing 20 to 50 times. At least now we've got, like Corinne said, personalities that we can play with, that we can add to.
The costumes are so perfectly done. My favourite one is probably Ethan's because it just looks so silly and it's so perfect to his character as well.
As soon as I saw my costume, I was like, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Like you got the checkered shirt, you have like the shoulder straps. It just looks really, really Augustus Gloop. And I can't wait to just like try and perform using the costume. It'd just be super fun.
It's everything I would have thought of when I thought Violet Beauregard.
Violet's, the way we're turning her into the big blueberry is fun as well.
Like I saw Blake's costume. Blake's is amazing. It looks perfectly like Willy Wonka, like we're talking the original musical.
Oh my god! It's so cool!